Alright guys, what's up? This is going to be a quick little video, but I got some go fast bits for the car. I got this, and I have something else coming tomorrow, and I really thought about doing these in the same video, but I'm too excited and I don't want to wait that long. So as you can see, got stuff from K-Tune. Also today I got an email from K-Tune. They're offering me a 1-year partnership with them. Super excited. I'm trying to get all the parts for the 9th gen that K-Tune offers. Coilovers, the K2 circuit coilovers, all the spherical bushings that come with the car for like the lower control arms, the front control arms, all that stuff is all going spherical bushings. And then I got this, which I'll show you here in a second. It's going to be super awesome, and I can't wait to see what this year has in store. But let's go ahead and open this box up. Well, it's already open. So I got a short ram intake. I could have went with a cold air, but currently on the car, I don't have fender liners, which is an issue because with the cold air setup, it sits like right there behind the bumper where the wheel is. I don't really trust it. I know you can run the water shield things to keep the car from hydrolocking, but I still don't trust it. So I went with a short ram. It's the 3.5 inch from K-Tuned. It'll still make power, right? There's also a mod that you can make to the OEM tubing that runs from the fender up and to where the airbox, the stock airbox sits. You can modify that to make it kind of like a cold air intake, but I'm really not worried about it. This will give me some sort of decent numbers. I'm not expecting a whole lot, but I want to make more power than what I currently make, and I'm just going to do it, as well as the other part that comes tomorrow. But let's go ahead and open this up. Had the car for what, 3 years now, and this is the first like engine mod that I've made an attempt to get. Comes with a license plate frame. I'm gonna put this one on and swap out the JHP that I've had since I bought the car. We got the filter inside here. We got the inlet pipe. Pretty good packaging. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, with the map sensor location. All of your clamps. Got a big old K-Tune sticker. This goes to the PCV system. Coupler, and then the bracket to mount the air intake down. So yeah, that's about it. So I got this, and like I said, I've got one more thing coming tomorrow. I'm super excited. My tuner, who was local to me, which is awesome, does a really good job. He's going to tune the car and get us ready for VIR next month. I'm super excited. I can't wait. All the stuff back, and yeah, that's about it. So like I said, super short video. I'll catch you on the next one.